Green building conceptually emphasizes on the conservation of natural energy resources. Of late, this concept has been propelled mainly in the housing sector. However, commercial real estate is not far behind. Effective green buildings are more than just a congregation of random eco-friendly technologies.
The point is this: end of the day, everybody wants to make a most efficient investment. I mean, that's what it is. I mean, today, if a real estate developer looks at as an efficient investment, they naturally would like to go for a green building because it gives them a lot of benefits of getting a right kind of client coming into the building and probably a better rental from the client. So it's a process which happens over a period of time. So everybody gets a benefit out of it.
Green building in India seems set for a major growth, with increasing awareness on the returns of investments on such a concept. Practitioners of green building often seek to achieve not only ecological but also visual sync between a structure and its surroundings. It is important for office spaces and not only just the residential sector to incorporate the green element.
Well, it is sometimes for the companies who set up an office in an environment, because they have a philosophy of green within their organization. So naturally, for us, like our company now, we have a sustainability as our way of life as an organization. So naturally, when we set up an office, which we did in India in Bangalore, the first thing we did was look at an energy efficient building. So then get a commercial interior which is LEED rated. So it's a philosophy within most of the organizations these days to do green stuff. So it's part of that.
For starters, commercial real estate can adopt the concept by simply ensuring effective conservation of non renewable energy sources. With camera person Tarak Ram, this is Soumya Balan for Real Estate Television.